looking at a lot of late modernist work, and though I was interested in large-scale works, I wasn't particularly taken by the materials and the techniques, and I switched from the monumental art department I was working in to a fashion department, where I introduced myself to working with textiles and doing a lot of stitching, which led me to do some knitting and crochet. I joined an activist group in London some 5-6 years ago, did some more stitching, and it led me to produce a number of pieces which are essentially lace. The piece at the back, which you can see in the background, is World Wide Web, which is knitted using shirring elastic, using a technique called Shetland lace. And it was designed to furnish circulation areas in museums and redundant spaces in between galleries, in a way that is a metaphor to the position craft has in the visual arts. It's in many ways the poor relation of the art world, and so it has this in-between space. My intention was for viewers to come across it almost unintentionally, so you're unprepared, and with this you have a very different response to the artwork. The exhibition, Lovely, seemed an ideal opportunity to present the work. Each time the piece is displayed, it does take on a very different shape. It mirrors in a way the character of the space it is in, so the architecture around the piece really molds the piece itself. As well as installing the piece here, I've made a piece in the Turbine Hall, which is a large knitted and looped and knotted installation. I've invited visitors to contribute to the making of this piece. It's grown over the course of 10 days now. It will be on for another few days, and hopefully stay there as a semi-permanent exhibit for the duration of the exhibition. But that's always a fantastic thing, to get people engaged in making, and through that making exchange tips and information and ideas. I think the piece here has been really quite successful because people have, having seen the lace exhibition, come with certain things in their own head and a renewed understanding of what lace is, and then they put it to practice and they make something in response to what they've seen. So it's led to a fantastic interaction and outcome of work.